Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can prevent your subscribers from downloading or saving contents from your Telegram channel. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your channel in Telegram. Here I have opened mine, and we're going to click on those three dots on the top right, and then we're going to go to the manage channel. Okay. Oops, sorry. Click on manage channel. Okay, and here you can go to the channel type, and you're going to select the content protection here and activate the restrict saving content. After you activate this feature, your subscribers won't be able to copy, save, or forward content from your channel. Okay, and don't forget to save the setting. Okay, and now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to prevent your subscribers from downloading or saving content from your Telegram channel. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!